How to add button with a hover animation on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a button and also add a hover animation to it by simple steps right there. So you are going to head over your website of Wix. Basically you are going to head over wix.com, then sign in to the platform by an account, and then you are going to select the website, and here we have the website dashboard, as you can see. Now, what I am going to do is you click on edit site or design site. It is going to be maybe different, maybe not in your screen. After that, you're going to see the website loaded. And from here, we are going to start the work right away. So now what I am going to do exactly is to add a button, and that button is going to be situated in the elements. So you are going to click on add elements and then you are going to select the button. But here first, I am going to add a empty section so I can test out multiple buttons. So I'm going to click on add elements. From here, we are going to see this, as you can see, big menu or mega menu. We are going to select from here buttons. And we are going to see here some categories for buttons. We have themed ones, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons, and etc. So I'm going to use the most simplest one, which are going to be themed buttons. I'm going to use this one. And let's say here that we are going to change the button color. So let's see if we can do that. We're going to click on the design. I'm going to customize it. So the background fill is going to be something like that, maybe. So I'm going to put this button here. And also we are going to put this with the arrow. I'm going to have here the design changed also. You are not going to miss the animation. I'm going to change the background fill to something else like this blue. Now we are going to see if the text also could be changed, and it is possible. So we are going to see here the text color. In here, I'm going to put it as white. Boom. And now we are going to click on the button. Then we are going to see this menu. So we are going to select animations and effect. Click on here. We are going to see here, as you can see on the entrance, we have the loop on or animation on the loop, the scroll, and the mouse effect. So we are going to have to see here the hover effect. So we are going to search for the hover effect and where it is going to be. So it is not going to show on the entrance, but we can go ahead and find it on the mouse effect. So basically it is going to be related to the movement of the mouse. So when you can see here, mouse effect, moving the mouse triggers or hovering the mouse triggers an effect on the selected item. So we are going to see here all type of, as you can see here, triggers, or not the triggers, but the elements. For example, here track, blur, blob, area, resize, skew, 3D, swivel, and etc. So let's go ahead and put the resize. I'm going to set up here the preview. I'm going to save it. And for this one, we are going to put another effect. I'm sorry, but I'm not interested on the review. So we're going to put here track and click on save again. And we are going to see here the effect that we are going to get on the preview. So we are going to wait for the previewer. Boom. As you can see, this is going to be like that. So this is the button. These are going to be the effects that has been applied. So this is the hover effect, as you can see. And for this, it is going to be like that. They are going to follow up the mouse. So I'm going basically to delete that. So I'm going to click on preview here. So we are going to only see the red button. So as you can see, it says the hover effect on the blue or the red button in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.